With the holidays approaching, is your blood pressure starting to rise a little bit? I know for me and probably for you, that holiday to-do list, the baking list, the crafting list, the Christmas card list, it can get long and seems to be never ending. Well, I want to help you with one of the things on your list. I want to help you not worry about that. I want to help you not stress about that, and that would be dinner. I want to help you get some make-ahead freezer meals into your freezer so you do not have to stress and fuss about what you're going to make for dinner this upcoming holiday season. This is going to help keep you out of the drive-thru. It's going to help keep more of those food dollars in your pocket so that you can have more money to spend on all the gifts on your list this year. I'm Erin Chase, and here at MyFreezEasy, we want to help make dinner easy for you this upcoming holiday season. We want to inspire you to load your freezer with easy to cook, easy to prep, simple meals that your family is going to love. Then you'll have some great dinner options to pull out when you have things like Christmas cards to address and get into the mail, or more gifts to wrap. Whatever it is this holiday season that you have on your list, we want to help make dinner easier for you. We have a free trial of our MyFreezEasy freezer meal plans available for you in our Deck the Freezer party that is happening very soon. We want to help you get a jump on dinner so that you can focus on everything that you have happening this holiday season. Just add your name and email to the sign up down below, and we will send you everything you need to know about the Deck the Freezer party right to your inbox.